Hello guys, welcome to the another video of AC Tech channel. In today's video, I will explain you how to reply S on Snapchat streak. So for this you have to open your Snapchat. Then you have to visit the chat section. So here you can see in the uppermost I have a snap from user 1. That is S. Do you guys know what does F stand for? It means that the other persons want you to make a Snapchat streak. So how will you reply them? It is very simple method. You just have to simply send a snap to them from the user where you get this S snap, so user 1. So I am sending it to user 1. Like now I have sent it. So this is the way to reply S on your Snapchat streak. Hope you will find the solution of your problem and like the video. Thank you.